Fans of Alkaline are saying that when Alkaline is done performing, they're leaving the venue.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
No, one Media Fox plan happy now. Yeah man, respect everybody who support the movement, you don't know. So people, so wanna see when Alkaline drop him album, seeing? Cause I will expose him today, world music views. Come to the forefront. See? Alright. Remember when Alkaline drop him album, wanna see Billboard chart, wanna see the numbers, wanna see when him put up say him not make the second week. See? So look at now people. Protege is a second artist. Seeing where drop an album with the new is it new rules or whatsoever based on say yo YouTube, there's no YouTube streaming anymore adding to the Billboard. Seeing? Alright now. So them say Protege number 9 on the Billboard. Seeing? So I say alright. So I say wait. Where the numbers them there? You understand? Which part the numbers them there? How much him sell? Seeing? So I say, me not understand this. Because when Alkaline drop him album, everybody know every detail. From how much it hit on the Billboard, from how much it sell. The second, remember you know, no album, you never see no information forward out say, yo, Alkaline now make it for the Billboard second week. We never yet see that with the next artist. Remember last year a couple artists that dropped them album. No numbers now come out. Seeing? I think Vice Cartel and some other artists. Numbers never come out. Seeing him, them not put out no numbers. Look at now. Seeing? Look on this. So look at now people. So somebody comment on the world music views and say, yo, what about the sales? You drop Alkaline numbers, but not the rest. So tell me why. So look at world music views say now we know. See it? Him say we only release numbers we receive. Remember, you know, we only receive numbers where we receive. See it? Some artists, label, and distributors keep their figures private. See? This now make no sense, you know. Especially when it comes to the vinyl sales. However, as soon as we get those numbers, you will be the first to see them right here on World Music Views. See? But the thing get really spooky. See? Look you know, after I said that. So look you know. So you see that person who name TC or TC Usins or whatsoever. See? So that person you know are them distribute Protege album. I think it's a record like a label distributor. See? So the person say highest debut of the year. So here comes World Music Views now. See? World Music Views, you know. So all of them numbers yeah. We did think say yo, he might get them numbers yeah accurate and all of them look. That's why I'm always I say less than barely this. So me I say, why we can't get the amount, the exact amount we him sell? Get to find out say him not have them information yeah. You understand? So he might try do some prediction when I hear the less than and the this. Cause me remember, you know, I think him put out for Vice Cartel Vikings. See? Him say less than 2,000. See? And when you kind of check it, a 900 and add cause a number 10, it hit on the Billboard. I don't know if you know if you do mathematics. See? But look at now, him say less than 2,000 when a less than 1,000, you know, people. Actually, him no want it look bad for Cartel. See? Alright. So, him ask the same person now. Say, hey, can you share with the comment section how many album worth sold in sales and stream first week? So basically, all this time, we think they all Bill Gates, but them only just a Bill Fence because look here now, you there ask the distributor for the numbers. We did think that you have a app or have something where we can say, alright, so the numbers, yeah. Because most of the time, you only can say if the person hit the billboard, you will get that. Because I think maybe billboard show that. Or, you see me, or it not hit the billboard. But the numbers thing now. See, but for you, we get all of these information, you know. And you in a comment, ask the distributor to tell the comment what is the number. When you say some of the labels and whatsoever, them put them thing private, them not share the numbers. See? But you in the comment ask. See? That now make no sense, brother. Come know when Alkaline drop theme album, everything, you run out, barely this. That, I'll say, yo, just make sure say, you know. Make sure say, every album we drop, uno put say, yo, if them still up on the billboard for the second week or if them fall off the second week, same like what you do with Alkaline. Make sure say you do it with every other artist after this. You understand? Yeah. So after this now, people. So this are the person, distributor who, I think them name, Ineffable Records, yeah, something like so. Ineffable Records, them name. So this are the person for IG. Seeing? So we are going to prove say them are the distributor. So look here now. So see the 2026 Protege album, The Art of Absence. Seeing? So see them and tell you the distributor for the project, the rollout. So you don't know Indig's Nation Collective, that a Protege label. But the label where World Music Views ask, put out the people them number. He might ask, you know. People never give me them. If them do want them numbers out, them give him. So see them as a partnership and distributor, the same label. So you know say are the same person under the comment. So them not really want to share them numbers. You see me? Them don't want to talk and tell World Music Views or whatsoever. You see it? But it's so funny how World Music Views out here I give out bag of numbers and all of them little thing there. In people, something really spooky there, so. You see it? All me I say, just hope say, you put out everything. Seeing? Everything. Nobody hide no numbers, you know. Same like how you have numbers for Alkaline, make sure say you have numbers for every artist. Make sure say the second week, you tell where they on the billboard. You understand? Make sure. You see it? So all this time we think say, yo, them people here have the thing like, yo, sometimes you want some album drop and no numbers, nothing. Seeing? But when Alkaline drop, you get all of the information them what go on, so. You understand? What happen? To me it's like, cause I don't know if Alkaline people them share the information with you. You understand? Cause to me, you just a work off of some numbers or you just a say, cause that's why I say, why I can't give an accurate number? Why am I say less than this? Or barely this? I say, no man, this not make no sense. This not make no sense. And if at that, see, based on the number 9 when drop on the chart, you should have put out numbers. You should have put out numbers. Cause if Alkaline drop number 10 and him drop number 9, seeing, you're supposed to give something to. You see it? But now you say the label this and that not share with you. So Alkaline them share them thing with you. Because that second week thing with Alkaline, you know. Same now make the billboard second week. At first we ever see you put up about second week, you know. You understand? That's why I show and say, yo, you see somehow no media page. Yeah man, you know. We're not really credible for the media page because first of all, we're supposed to be neutral. You understand? Everybody's supposed to be fair based by information and everything. You understand? But we see the side we want to lean to. You see it? We see the side we want to lean to. But I realize that when it comes to Alkaline, everything I feel up on board. You see me? And that I realize with Uno. Because I don't know how you in a comment ask Protege distributor them. If you tell the comment section the numbers and this and that, like say the person them has some information or some media page like Uno. I don't understand this. Because at the end of the day, we see, say you kinda rep the Gaza thing. So me I say, oh, you not put out the numbers them. You understand? Because look, you know, Vice Cartel drop an album, Heart and Soul, last year. Never hit the billboard. Nothing. But not even know if him even post about it. Me I try picture, him don't post about it. Because me know if Alkaline album never hit the billboard. Me I tell you, him a post everything. You see what now be media page, dog. I wanna say, yo, when I represent dancehall, you can't pick no side fam. Me I tell you that. That's how me no rate in the business. Me no rate the dancehall thing. If you not represent dancehall and push things out there, brother, as a media page, where people who represent information of dancehall, brother, you no need to have a balance in the game. You see me? If you go put out this for one artist, you have to put out this for other rest of artists them. It no matter. Try find some way. You see me? This politics thing I mash up the game. Because you only do this thing for just tear down an artist. See, because when Alkaline drop him thing, you say, oh, Bomba, number 10. Then you say, you less than 1,000. You say, yo, what, this alone you sell, Ray, album flap, one bag or something. See? Then, you know where World Music views the people? The man go put out, say, Alkaline, second week. Him never met the billboard. For sure, you say, him well want the thing look away for the artist. Because if you never yet post a second week hitting the billboard, but you post it for Alkaline, it show your agenda, brother. Me I tell you, it show an agenda. You see it? You no care be one media page, bro, and I do them thing. You see me? This no look good for you, brother. People lose credibility for you, brother. And to be honest, brother, me I watch and see what I go do, you know. You see me? Me I watch and see what I go do. Because the rest of the album, them we are going to drop for the rest of the year, you know, brother. Me I watch, you know. And make sure, say, you put out the second week for Protege. To see if him still make the billboard. Remember that. Make sure, say, you put that every dancehall artist or reggae artist who drop album for this year, them second week billboard chart, you have to go put out that. Me I tell you. Because you even make it worse. Some I say, how you not put out these numbers, but you put out numbers say Alkaline? That now make no sense. And to me, in my opinion, this proves to me, say, yo, you not really have the accurate, you just all is like, you just speculate certain things. And that me feel. Because if you say the artist and the this and the that, in my opinion, me no feel like Alkaline and him team a give you no numbers, bro. You see me? Me no feel so. You see it? I just you maybe just because how you now put out for the rest of the artists them. Seeing? How you put out for the rest of the artists and you not put no numbers. You not do not. It shows to me say yo, you don't know the numbers them, but because of Alkaline now, you gotta just put something. You see me? You gotta say yo, barely this. Less than this. Cause that's all me see you do. Me never hear you say yo, one album sell 406 or 501. No, I be less than 500. This and that. I say, yo, why am I always I say World Music Views I say less than this and less than that? So I say, no accurate numbers. Something not right. You see me? But if you know say, yo, World Music Views I work for try sabotage Alkaline album. You know what them do? Say the album drop off at the billboard for the second week. Knowing say some of the album them last year never met the billboard. Some of them don't even, all if them go up there the second week, them drop off at the billboard. But him don't put out them thing there. You see it? And that me I try to show you people how the politics in a dancehall. Them say them want the culture look good and want the culture to grow. But at the end of the day, when it comes to one artist, them put out information to make the artist look bad. You see me? But when who for side them pick and them for highlight, when it worse than what Alkaline do, them now put it out. You understand? And that me no rate with dancehall, and that's why the genre now to grow. Because when you see somebody do something And not highlight things. Una balance the scale if you say, alright, me highlight Alkaline second week. Me highlight in numbers. All if me don't get no numbers or nothing, me just a work off, I just alright. If I that in Ray, Alex and this and Ray. You could have said something with Protege. But you know what you say when the person them asks you, or you put out Alkaline number, about distributor and label and this, no Ray, bam. See? But it's so funny that the distributor for Protege album, it's so funny him under your comment. And I said the highest debut album of the year. So that means I'm watch what I go on and I watch your thing. You understand? And it seemed to me, yeah, you see what the Billboard, but you know really I get the numbers them. You see me? I saw me see it, you know. Because if you say the label and this and Ray want to keep them thing private. Knowing say, you know, we know Alkaline team stay. From the day one, them not to just put out things so. So how you quick for put out numbers for Alkaline? See? All when the team, me know the team now link or whatsoever. You see me? Me know say yo the team now to wear with your thing because we see what I go on. You see me? But for you put out the second week for Alkaline, I guess I expose you, you know. Yeah man. The second week I just expose you. Because if you never yet do it for your next artist in a dancehall or reggae, and you first do it to Alkaline, it show me agenda. It show me say you want put out something to make it look like say the artist feel. But the artist not feel. The album good. You might get songs of it get replay, everything. You see me? I most controversial album after so many years. The most talk about. You see me? So that's why I try showing the brother. We don't need to fix that thing there, bro. If you not go pick a side, label yourself as that side, bro. You see me? Because this now add up, it now make no sense. And it show me say, yo, you now get some of these informations, but yeah, put out numbers. It now make no sense, dog. This less than if brother, first of all, if you now put out the accurate number, it not make no sense. I just saw me see it, people. If you now put out the accurate number, it not make no sense. This less than a rate. Look you now. Somebody can sell 980 copy and you can put less than 2,000. Maybe you can put less than 3,000 to make which artist you rep look good. Remember, nobody know numbers. So when you say, alright, say less than 2,000 or less than 3,000, people are going to think, say, alright, a 2,000 ad, this and ad. You see me? And they say, you now put out an accurate number. So it don't make no sense you put out no number. If a sudden brother, no put out no numbers then. If you don't have the accurate number, no put out no numbers. Yeah, we can see the Billboard, Ray. But no, if you don't have the numbers, don't put out nobody numbers, bro. You see me? You only make you expose yourself, say, yo, bro, it's an agenda thing you work with. And you try bring down an artist with certain information. And them little thing, they make things look bad. You see it? Yeah, man. But people, so I tell you how this dancehall thing stay, you know. You see me? And if you see how them media page are move, trust me, dangerous, it bad for the culture. I tell you that. But people, you don't know one media false pan up, you know. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. That is it.